If you're looking for two-stroke thrills with modern updates and race-ready performance, the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 just might be your perfect ride. Yamaha isn't just keeping the legacy alive, they're pushing it further. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest in mototech so you can ride smarter. Design. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2026 YZ125 sticks to that iconic Yamaha blue, but it's sharper, sleeker, and more race-focused than ever. The plastics have been refined for better aerodynamics, and the ergonomics feel tighter, giving you better control whether you're hitting a tight corner or launching off a jump. Lighter components shave weight while still looking aggressive and clean. Performance. Now on to performance, and wow, Yamaha nailed it this year. The updated 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine delivers crisp power through the entire rev range. It's snappy, responsive, and built for riders who want to push the limit. Combined with a reworked power valve system and updated ignition mapping, the bike hits harder out of corners while still being incredibly manageable. Features and technology. Yamaha didn't just tweak the engine, they gave the YZ125 some serious attention in the tech department too. A revised KYB suspension setup improves front-end feel and stability. The brakes are stronger and more responsive, and the lightweight frame has been stiffened in all the right places. It's still that raw two-stroke experience, just more refined, more controlled, and way more fun. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Yamaha YZ125 worth it? Absolutely, whether you're a seasoned racer or stepping up your game, this bike brings the performance, feel, and heritage Yamaha is known for. What do you think of the new YZ125? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more breakdowns of the latest rides. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe, ride smart.